Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm just going to reveal you a tool by which you're going to use it for yourself, which is going to be so helpful for you. And not just that, it's free by the way, and also you're going to make money out of it. I'm just going to show you a hack, or like many people don't know that we can make money by using tool for themselves, and also by referencing. You really no need to sell, hard sell anything. You don't need to do a sales pitch. There are few things which everybody needs it, everybody requires for their online journey. This is such a tool. Many people should have heard about it, but they didn't really think that they can make money. They might have thought, oh, okay, we need to buy this one in order to make money, or you need to, work hard to sell it, do all those crazy selling process to make money. No, not at all. So this is what many people will not reveal such golden nuggets or a golden goose. Well, it's not easy, because I'm making money out of it. When I reveal it, that means I'm going to have more competition. That's the truth. Okay, in make money online journey, this is what we compete. In affiliates, they make money and they want to make money nicely, and they will not reveal that to many people. So this is one of such products. I'm just going to reveal it to you. No problem. End of the day, whatever we me and you, everybody, we fight for some money coming in. End of the day, if it's only with Lord of the world, only if He wills, anybody can be successful, and it is He who is going to send that the blessings each and every day upon all of us. Okay, so it doesn't mean since I'm going to reveal it to you. Of course, the competition is always good, but this is don't mess it up. Okay, don't spoil the the process where many people are making money out of it. I know, but since I'm revealing it to you, it doesn't mean you go and get the hell out of it. Just try to do a genuine way of promoting this product. Okay, that's why I request you. Okay, let's jump on. Rather than too much talking, let's reveal the product to you. Okay, this is my channel. If this is your first time watching, make sure you hit that bell icon. Of course, you have to subscribe first. And what I do is, this is what I do. You can see it, right? I just reveal make money online products, as well as strategies where you can sit at home and make money, like how I do. Okay, this is what I do. So you can watch the channel here. Anyway, let's jump on and reveal you the product. Here we go. Grammarly. This is the product which I'm talking. I'm sure you would have thought, oh, Grammarly, you should have heard this long time, right? Many lots, you should have seen this as an ad on YouTube, and many people they think, what is the use of it, but you don't know how much powerful this product is, and how if you're going to keep watching, I'm going to reveal you how to make money out of it. Okay, let's first of all show you what is this all about. Okay, Grammarly, you can see this, you can see the front page of the product. When you go and type in Grammarly, you can .com. I will leave a link below. That's going to be my affiliate link. I always appreciate your support by clicking my affiliate link, so I do get some commission out of it. Tiny commission, not a big commission, but it's your wish. You can click the link below and support me. Anyway, so see this is what it is. You can see this. Grammarly is helping you to solve all your spelling mistakes, your grammars, your plagiarism. All this can be solved with this cool extension. It's a Chrome extension. You can download and install. I'm just not going to show you all those things. That is simple. But what is it? Let me show you just an example. See this. This is my email. When I just try to type in something, I just grabbed some PLR and I just dropped in here. See this. Automatically, this grammar tool shows you the spelling mistake. I keep it here. It's already a underline and showing me these are all the mistakes I'm doing. Suddenly, just click here. It automatically corrects that spelling. Okay, what's wrong with this one? Head. Okay, heard. Okay, see this? Went up everywhere, and she heard the tiny. I've written as head, so it should be heard. Okay, that's perfect. And this is a spelling mistake as well. Then, yeah, correct. What's wrong with this? Objects whistling past. It's past her here. Okay, Perfect. Okay, cool. See this, you understand, right? The idea behind what this tool can do. It's just not spelling mistake. It's like, it makes a sentence correctly, in case you were typing so much words. Not just, once you install that Grammarly extension, Chrome extension, it's so simple. Wherever you're going to type something, this will pop in directly and it will tell you this is wrong, correct it. Okay, this is like a free tool. Of course, there's a paid version, but for the basic thing, this is enough, for a basic online journey, this is good enough, the basic free extension is good. But if you want you're going to heavy user, if you're really a full-time writer, then this is going to be really, really helpful as well in terms of doing lots of other things as well. See this pass, you can let me choose this one. And what's wrong with this? With the honor. Okay, this is not the right honor is different to the honor, so I need to choose this one. Okay, it automatically reads the sentences and is giving you the correct words and meaning. You understand, right? What I'm trying to say. See this behavior. What's wrong with this? Okay, they're giving you the other behavior instead of OUR. Okay, it's not a big difference. Okay, streaming device, a streaming device. Since it's a new sentence, a streaming device. Okay, what's wrong with this? The online, private as well as online. Okay, instead of they're saying not to have the with that. Okay, so you understand, right? This is the power of Grammarly tool, which I'm sure me and any online entrepreneur or any online affiliate marketer, anything you do with online, it is going to require some kind of blog writing, if some kind of article writing. This is going to be an awesome tool. You come in here, you can see this Grammarly, you come in here, just add to Chrome, it's free. Once you click in, it's going to give you that extension. You can see this, it give you that Chrome extension. You just add it, it's simple. Install now, it's like straightforward process. I already have it, so it is going to show me like this. Just install and it will be like added to your Chrome browser. Okay, that's how simple is that. Okay, let's jump on to just to show you, since you waited so long, what is the use of using that tool, free tool? Okay, I mean, it's also a paid tool, but what is the point? We need to make money out of it, right? So let's see how to make money out of it. This is where the golden goose, I mean to say, like, people don't really reveal much about that product. Let me jump on, where is that? Let me jump on to Grammarly. Here we go. Free online writing assistant. That's what the name of the product is. Okay, this was like heavily used by many people. Okay, why is it I'm not able to? Let me remove this app thingy. I want to go to Grammarly.com, please. I need to install now. I removed, I think. Let me add this one. This is the one. Okay, this is the extension. You can see this green color. This is a Grammarly extension. Okay, I need to. It just keeps asking me. I do always when I have lots of extensions. I just need to remove my extension in order to make my browser speed more. So I do remove it. Let me jump on to incognito mode. It just doesn't allow me to Grammarly.com. Let me show you the exact what I'm trying to say. So you come into it, add to the Chrome, okay, and then you can install it. That's simple as that. Add your email ID. That's maximum you'll be doing it, nothing much. And of course you will get an email on your inbox. Just confirm it. Okay, anywhere, whether you're using it in the Facebook, whether you're using it in the documents, whether you're using it for your email, wherever you're the place where you type in online, this extension pops up and it will suggest you this is right, this is wrong. Of course you need to be also make sure you check it, because you might be intending to do something, you want to write something and it might suggest differently, but to 99% it will be correct. Okay, so that's how powerful this tool is. You can go through it. Now it's the most important thing, how to make money out of it, right? Let me show you. Okay, come down, come here and click this, see this affiliates, click here and start promoting it and make money out of it. When I say promoting it, if you're going to sell something online, you might have to work hard, you have to drive traffic crazily, you have to promote itself. But this is a tool which is free. Of course it's a paid version, but we are talking only free, and you can easily suggest to your friends. Even if you have 5 friends, of course you will be having it, or 5 family members. If 5 family members going to sign up, telling you, the secret is that 5 family members, if they sign up to this, you're going to get $1. Did you get it? This is what the power is. So every person whom you promote, or you recommend this one, and you ask them to install on their browser, on their Chrome extension, it's 20 cents each. So that means like 5 people, it's like $1. It's like straight away you will be seeing the first dollar same day. I'm telling you, that is how powerful this product is. So where are you? How are you going to register it? See this? Sign up in 60 seconds, place a banner and write a post to receive an activation bonus. Start earning big. Okay. Thing is, you can, of course, there are different ways to do it. Whether you write a blog, through a YouTube video like how I'm doing now, you can do that one, or write a review video about Grammarly. You can have banners on your existing website. You can do lots of things. But before that, you need to sign up. One is CJ, that is Commission Junction, or Share a Sale. Whether these are the platforms where you need to sign up in order to become an affiliate. Okay, so these are 2 things. It's simple. Go and search Commission Junction. Go and search Share a Sale. You can register. Become like these are. It's a huge platform where lots of other affiliate products are there. But you can. This is one of them. Okay, Grammarly is one of them. So once you do it, this is where it is. If the person whom you are promoting it, whether it is Facebook or through YouTube, that is a different topic to talk, guys. Okay, how to promote it, but it's simple because this is a product which is free and a tool which everybody requires for their online journey every day. So why not? Why will they reject it? They'll be happy to install it, right? So you're spreading the word of mouth, like saying that this is a tool. Why don't you register and give you a link? They're going to register it and they install it. Once you install, you're going to get 20 cents. That's like straight away money for you, and $1 for 5 people. Imagine doing this for every day. Your friends, your family members, or might be like, if you're not a proper affiliate marketer, you might not be using it properly. But if you can do a video out of it, if you can do an article, if you can do like a blog out of it, if you can put a banner of this on any of your existing website, easy money, guys, easy money. That's 20 cents easy for you. And what's the best part is, you can see this. They're having a 90-day cookie window. That's really, really cool. If somebody clicks it, like they might not be doing it installed every like same time. They might come back and do it within the 90 days time. If they're going to use it, come back to the Grammarly website. And if they're going to install, your cookied, actually your affiliate link is cookied. That means you're gonna get that 20 cents even after like 60, 90 days. That's what it is. So cross device. Okay, all these are there. You can I just don't want to take too much time. Just give you by just showing you this product, that itself is like really, really powerful. I know I'm inviting lots of competition for me, but that's not a problem. Over God wills, everybody are going to make money out of it, so that's not an issue. What I'm trying to say is, make use of it. It's such a powerful tool. I'm going to leave my affiliate link. So if you're going to click that one, and if you're going to register, that means I'm going to get 20 cents. You understand, right? So this is one way of I'm promoting this Grammarly tool. That's really, really free, and it's like one of the ways I'm promoting it. But of course, I do it in different ways. But I'm just showing you. You might be asking a question how to promote it. If you're not good in talking, no problem. You do it through a banner. You can add the banner. There's lots of. If you go to the Grammarly, once you sign up, these guys will give you those banners. You can add it. It's easy to place a banner. If you don't know, just Google or search in YouTube how to place a banner on your website. It's so simple. And if just to give you I really don't want to show I never boast myself showing lots of results, but just to give you to inspire you guys. See this? It's not a big amount. See this? For today alone, 20 cents, extra day, 20 cents, 20 cents, 20 cents, 20 cents. You get that, right? You understand the power of 20 cents. Imagine getting 10 into 20 or 15 to 20 cents every day. That's a huge money, guys. I mean, of course, it's a lot for me. For many people, it's not much, but this is like a side hustle you can do, promoting a product which is a free tool which is going to help you as well as help others. It's like working from home, make money online by promoting a free tool. And for promoting, it's a different thing, how to drive traffic. As I told you, one is through YouTube, one is my website, one is to write a review. It's lots of ways to drive traffic, but just giving you the power of that 20 cents, how much you can make money out of this one. Don't even give an excuse saying that I can't do this, I can't do that. It's like, it is tough. When you start making money online, is tough. In order to know this tool, by using this tool, in order for me to know that I can make money out of this tool, even though I'm in this space, I did not really know this one. It was like through my mentor, I accidentally found out that, you know, that he's making money, he's making lots of money with this tool. So I thought, okay, what is that? You know, then I went into it, and then I found out, okay, where to sign up. Then I researched how to sign up to share a sale. Then I went into it. They took some time. Then they approved me, and then I got the links. Like, you know, it was not easy when I started. It does take time, guys, for everything. You know, this is just one product I'm showing you. Just imagine the power of finding such golden products, which is going to be useful for you as well as useful for the person whom you're recommending. This is going to be useful, right? So of course they'll be happy to take that, you know, affiliate link, and they click it. Like how I'm saying, click the affiliate link, because I'm just open with you that that's my affiliate link. I'm going to get commission. That's when you click it and register. I totally appreciate your support when you click through my affiliate link. That's what I do. I'm doing YouTube affiliate marketing. Anybody can do this, guys. Okay. Anyway, too much talking. Let's stop that one. Just give you an just giving you some motivation that you can start making money starting today, guys. I mean, don't tell me. Of course, the conversion might take time. Might be like 7 days or so. But you will start seeing that report coming that somebody has signed up through your affiliate link and stuff. So that should be give you that extra motivation to more and more you know, find such golden products to promote. Okay, I've given you one. I've shown many. If you go to my YouTube channels, this is just a small tiny amount of 20 cents, but I've shown you ways, because I do lots of high ticket affiliate marketing. You should have seen lots of my affiliate link, which is high ticket affiliate marketing. What I'm showing is just a small part. There are big ways, guys. There are ways to make $250, $500, $1,000. If you're really interested on that, check out the other links on my description. That's like, after going through like 2 to 3 years of in this affiliate journey, I have found these golden products, which makes me money. I'm sure there's no doubt there might be some investment you have to do, small investments, but I have no doubt that is going to be really helping you to make that extra cash, like a big amounts I'm talking about. Okay, like in the range of 50, like I mean like $500,000. That is where the real make money online starts. Okay, the 20, 30 cents you might not be, for a person who is new, of course that's a big amount, but once you start building up, that's going to be really huge money, guys. Anyway, if it's the first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. That really helps my channel to rank up high, so many people will know about this channel. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for your time. If you have any doubts, questions, comments, drop me below. I'm ready to reply to that. Thanks a lot for time. See you, man. Bye.